Motion to heat it first. They have temperature now, so the glue more easy to separate. Sorry, maybe I start this side and I send the video to you. Using a small plastic card to cut from the side. If it's hard, then using a little liquid.到哪里的时候要注意，就告诉我一下啊。
啊。
到哪里的地方要注意一点的时候就告诉我，我就说一下。
Liquid by air is the problem? Liquid by air?
No problem.
No problem?
Yeah, this liquid, no problem.
You sure?
Yes. By air, shipping by air?
Yeah.
No, we can't shipping by air. Yes, only by sea.
看多少度啊？80度。
Yes, 18. 还是80啊？你搞了半天你又没调了。
不是你，它温度它铁降温很慢的。你像降温，它一下瞬间降下来啊。
差不多70度就可以了啊。
太烫了，我感觉它的产品都软化了。就插这个地方，这地方，这里是排线吃出来的，这里有一吃出来一点。
等一下。When we remove this part, they have a flex in there, so you need to be very careful from this part. 这个不要那么进去是吧？
那个不错，它。
A little 是吧？
这上面存在的这是有排线的。
Layer from this side to layer, they have a flex cable, so you are very careful.
Very good.
Yes.
nhà cho mẹ cô hả lúa là要lúa啦，看要出来要不要？哎，做的是一样的。要不要？
你看，为什么不用那种分体积分不行是吧？
分不开的，拆不了框的。如果你不只能拆分，拆不了框。什么剪刀？我刚刚用的，装到那里，在那边吗？啊？抽屉里面，抽屉里面。一般我这边都是不拆，这边我都不拆的。
哦哦。
就大家把那油进去。
我会 separate 很多的 cut for the top part. Only you separate the under part, then very easy to take the top down because they have flex. So we better not cut this top. Only
This is
separate
lecture you have
this.
in here?
Yes, we have.
就是你换是吧？都破了吗？
Okay, then we need to remove this LCD adhesive.
You must remove it.
Yeah, you need to remove it. Yes. 为什么要把它也添加滤网？为什么把它全部撕掉啊？
这个你不撕的话，这现在皱的，它贴出来也是皱的。
哦，贴出来是皱的，就是液晶是皱的还是？
啊，液晶是皱的。
Because this already damaged. So you need to change a new one. Then laminating a new glass, then it's plate. If you not remove it after laminating the new glass, the LCD is also like this. It's better.
For all models Samsung?
Hmm?
For all models Samsung because they remove it.
Also need to remove it. 普通的3G 也要拆掉哦。
普通的直面呢？
嗯
直面的不用啊。
为什么呢？
直面它不影响啊，它因为这个屏是软的，它不是像普通的屏是硬的。
没关系，你压也压不坏。Normal Samsung no need to remove this one because normal Samsung the LCD is strong. Don't like this is soft. This soft is easy to get shaped. That's why because this sticker already get shaped, so we need to remove it. Will influence the LCD. Normal Samsung LCD you no need to remove this one.
因为它其他的普通的话，它是屏是硬的，屏是软的。
这个软的就容易变形嘛，是吧？
它容易一压的话，它这里都皱的话，压出来这里一直皱。
Okay, now. Yes, now we're using the frozen machine to separate.
高压照明了。
可以了。I stop.